Control your diabetes better with these helpful tips. Untreated diabetes can cause injury, disease, and death. Therefore, it is imperative that you learn how to control this disease as quickly and efficiently as possible. The tips in this video are time-tested strategies for turning a deadly disease into something that can be managed and reduced to a minor annoyance. Checking out international foods is an excellent way of finding new recipes that you'll actually enjoy eating, even though they're good for you and your diabetes. I'd highly recommend trying tabbouleh, a Middle Eastern dish made with herbs, onions, lemon juice, and bulgur. It's extremely good mixed with hummus and served on a pita. Thin-teeny buns are available at many grocery stores nationwide and are a tasty alternative to carbohydrate-heavy normal hamburger buns. These thinner breads are easier to eat as they're smaller than their traditional counterparts, and they will provide far less carbohydrates to a diabetic. If you have diabetes, then alcohol is not your friend. Alcoholic drinks are full of sugar and that will not help your blood sugar levels. A glass of wine has more sugar than hard liquor, and beer will has less sugar than wine but more than liquor. A dip in blood sugar is not an excuse to raid your fridge for goodies. Pick up some glucose tablets or small candies and take 1 or 2 until your blood sugar is back in line. Eating a slice of cake will just make your blood sugar skyrocket, leading to a need for medication and weight gain. When you're on a plane, it can be hard for a diabetic to keep their feet moving. Try to do little exercises while you sit, like moving your foot up and down or turning it in circles. Keep wiggling your toes to ensure your circulation gets blood right down to your tippy toes. Diabetes causes you higher blood glucose levels, which also affects how much glucose is in your saliva. You have to take extra care of your gums and teeth to keep the rot and decay away. Floss and brush regularly, and make sure to see your dentist twice a year for cleaning. Now that you have read these tips, the rest is up to you. Managing the complex array of dietary choices, medicines, and lifestyle factors that influence the course of diabetes can be extremely daunting, but if you take the tips you just read on board, you can live a long, happy life even with diabetes. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.